Hey guys, I'm not here because I'm on that trip, but we got this special thing called Flashback Friday, and so I'm going to try a video, go through this worksheet. I'll write on the symposium like I was here, and we'll go through this worksheet. Make sure we can see it all there. Here we go. So, let's do it. We're starting out looking at organelles. And who has it? 3 organelles: cell membrane, chloroplast, and mitochondria. So first, we'll take care of this box right here, the cell membrane. Do prokaryotes or eukaryotes have it, or do both have it? This one happens to be both. Both eukaryotes and prokaryotes contain a cell membrane. All eukaryotes have one: protists, plants, animals, and fungi. So every one of your cells contains a cell membrane. Moving over to the next box, we've got the chloroplast. Do prokaryotes or eukaryotes have them? Do prokaryotes? No. Do eukaryotes? Well, maybe. Do you, as an animal, have chloroplasts in your cell? No, you do not. Fungus don't either, but protists and plants do. Last one, but certainly not the least one, is the powerhouse of the cell, the mitochondria. So looking over here, do prokaryotes or eukaryotes have them? Or do both? Do prokaryotes have them? No, they do not. Do eukaryotes have them? Yes, they do, and all of them do. So moving down the page to the next section, looking at function, talking about cell transport. Blank is the ability to maintain stable internal conditions because the cell membrane is blank permeable. That first term, maintaining stable internal conditions, homeostasis. And a membrane that is just not completely permeable is selectively permeable. Looking at the next one, cell energy. Blank is the process used by producers to convert sunlight to chemical energy. That's photosynthesis. Looking at cell energy, still over here, blank is the process by which organisms break down food to release chemical energy. It's the opposite of photosynthesis. It's called cellular respiration or cell respiration. I don't have room to write cellular. Going from over here to over here, we have 2 different types of transport. One, movement of water from high to low, that's called osmosis. And 2, diffusion, is the movement of particles from high to low concentration. Moving down the page again, we're going to look at the figure over here, because we're looking at photosynthesis and cellular respiration continued. So first they want us to list the reactants in photosynthesis. The reactants in photosynthesis are CO2, carbon dioxide, and water, dihydrogen monoxide. Number 2 in that box, in the diagram above, circle the chemical energy created by photosynthesis and name it. Well, photosynthesis takes light energy in the chloroplast and converts it into C6H12O6 and O2. Well, the O2 is what you breathe, that's oxygen, and the C6H12O6 is what we're after. It's the chemical energy, and it's called glucose. Cellular respiration, number 1, list the products for cellular respiration. Well, Reactants in photosynthesis are the products in cellular respiration. So carbon dioxide and dihydrogen monoxide, or water, are our two products. And number 2, in the diagram above, circle the chemical energy created in cellular respiration and name it. We go from the mitochondria producing CO2 and water, but we also have this little thing over here, ATP. So we're going to circle that, ATP, and that's referred to as adenosine triphosphate. I'm not going to write it because I don't have room, but adenosine triphosphate, ATP. Now we're going to move from over here to over into this box where it says cellular transport continued, and I'll move the paper down so we can see that whole box. Let's get this little guy out of the way. So we're in this box right over here. Everybody with me? A equals water, and B is a protein. So, which direction did the water move? A went from outside of the cell, and after some time, it moved into the cell. From high concentration to low concentration. Is this osmosis or diffusion? It is osmosis. And why? Because the particles are moving, not the water. What is needed for proteins to diffuse out of the cell because of the concentration gradient? That is ATP. We need ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This form of transport is called what? Active or passive? It is called active transport because it uses ATP. If you need energy, then that is active. Okay? Now that we finished that, answer these questions on your Scantrons, and have a great day.